Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Pathways Overseas. Myself Sumit Sharma and I belong to Panipat, Haryana. Thank you for watching our previous video based on basic tips and tricks on repeat sentence. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification of next video. Today we will discuss about basic tips and tricks of describe image. Let's start our topic. First of all, from the basic, I want to tell you about what are the images that will come on your screen. These may of many kinds, as like it may be a bar graph, it may be a line graph or pie chart, it will be a map or table graph, it may be a elastic image. First of all, we will have given a image and we have 25 to 30 seconds to read about it or getting keywords from it. Next, we have to record whatever we have find out from the given image, and we have to speak the exact content we have put up from the image. As per exam rule, we all know that we will get 3 or 4 describe image in our exam. It is very easy task and it is moderately score part of speaking section. We will have to do nothing in this section. On the contrary, we have to speak whatever we have read up from the image, whatever we have seen from the image. But now sometimes some students do some mistakes in this section also. These are they do not speak the proper content properly, or they don't speak in fluent manner, or some hesitations are caused by them, and so on problems that are caused by students. Today we are here to describe some of the facts that will resolve your problems of describe image. As firstly, we all know that we have to describe as much content as possible. Secondly, I will explain you all the process step by step. In case of a bar graph, firstly we have to describe the topic on which the image is given. Then we have to describe the alphabetically words that are given in the image. On next case, we can find out the numerical values that are also aligned with the given image. Nextly, we can use maximum value and minimum value that are given in the bar graph also. And we can use the sentence, there are many colors such as white, black, blue to conclude the image is very informative. We can add some more keywords here with anywhere that are correlated to the image. In case of life cycle and process chart, we have to describe all the processes that are happening from initial stage to final stage. In this section of describe image, we cannot use maximum and minimum value because there are not anything that are maximum and that are minimum. So in this case, we can only use the patterns that are given in the process chart step by step, and then we can use the background or anything that is related to it. We can use the sentence there are many colors, but we cannot use here maximum value and minimum value. In the next case of pie chart, as we all know that a pie chart is a circular thing, we can also use here maximum and minimum value. Here we will get 5 or 6 items that are separated by some percentage or any other manner. We can use maximum value and minimum value, and we can represent colors here. In case of table graph, we are given a tables of numbers or some words in which we can use the data maximum and minimum value, and we can define the alphabetically or numerical words as given in the image. In case of realistic image, we will not get any alphabetically words or any numerical values. On the contrary, we will get any image on screen which is of about any photograph of anything such as road, buildings, schools, etc. We will only have to put up some keywords from that image which we can see easily in the image, and we have to describe them easily. In this case, we can use the background is white or the picture is clicked during daytime and anything that is related to it. In conclusion, if any bar graph that will come in your exam, you can describe it in that manner. As like we will get a described image on the factor tree, and there will be some words such as mango, banana, apple, orange, and some numbers that 5, 10, 20, 30, etc. So then we can describe the image as. There's an interesting image in front of me. Let me have a closer look by looking closely. It is about trees. Firstly, I can see mango and banana. Nextly, I can see apple and orange. Nextly, I can see 5 to 10 numbering. And then I can see 10 to 20 and so on numbers including the image. The maximum value is attained by mango and the minimum value is attained by orange. There are many colors such as white, black, blue. To conclude, the image was very informative and interesting. Lastly, guys, you will have to describe in a fluent and confident manner. So, guys, if you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.